Think you know what an excavator can do? Think again. We've found the wildest, weirdest, most unbelievable operator skills on the planet, and they'll leave you questioning everything. Buckle up. Ever wonder how a single action can save a village? On August 4th in Tsurugi, Ishikawa, forestry workers did just that. Floodwaters were rising. Debris blocked a bridge. They jumped in, cleared it, and poof, water gone. Amazing, right? Let's give it up for the silent heroes who keep our town safe. Let's be real. When it comes to heavy-duty mining, the Caterpillar 8200 doesn't mess around. It's powerful, efficient, and smartly designed with a giant bucket that holds up to 80 cubic yards. For teams that need results without compromise, this machine delivers. In a professional setting, such behavior is unacceptable. Operating machinery demands adherence to protocols. A maneuver of that nature can be executed safely within 5 minutes, without leaving the operator's seat. Exiting the excavator to turn it manually was unsafe and unnecessary. A single misstep could have led to serious consequences. This incident should serve as a cautionary example of why safety procedures must always be followed.
Say number one of capo.
Number one perché non ho avuto tempo mai. Non ho avuto mai tempo. Sai di tempo.
All right, folks, place your bets. Is it the iron-blooded Kirovets or the all-American John Deere that's going to drag the other into the dust? Each second packs more tension than the last. Don't blink or you'll miss the turning point. Loading heavy machinery on a slope is a major safety risk. Always load on flat ground and chock the trailer wheels. If not, the rig or machine can slip. In this case, they loaded on a slope, causing the trailer to tip. That should have been fixed immediately. This was a clear failure and responsibility by both the operator and the trailer driver. In this case, one functional D475 was repurposed as a pusher, aligning precisely behind the non-operational unit. The main objective: load the disabled dozer onto a multi-axle lowboy trailer without compromising structural integrity or balance. The pushing phase required millimeter-level control to avoid trailer misalignment. The journey from the mine to the service unit was no small feat. Transporting a 107-ton load requires strategic planning and a route that can accommodate both the weight and width of the trailer. The transport team navigated carefully, with the trailer's hydraulic system distributing the weight across its axles to manage the rough terrain along the way. Wait up! Don't scroll just yet. You're about to see how real pros make it look easy. Quick, clean, no fuss. Gotta guess how they pull it off? Watch till the end. I promise you, the final move? Total game changer. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. The Terex RH170 front shovel excavator represents the pinnacle of mining technology, designed to tackle even the most arduous material handling challenges. This 400-ton machine, a marvel of engineering, delivers unparalleled efficiency in mining operations worldwide. The operator's cabin, strategically elevated, provides an unimpeded view of the entire worksite. This vantage point ensures that operators can precisely manage the shovel's positioning and movements. It takes serious coordination and trust to flip something that heavy without causing more damage. Mad respect to the crew. Anyone else impressed by that kind of teamwork? In today's operation, the Volvo EC700C excavator and Caterpillar D6R bulldozer are loaded with precision using two MAN trucks, one paired with a Goldhofer hydraulic trailer, the other with a heavy-duty hauler. Each move is deliberate. The EC700C offers raw digging power, while the D6R is built for pushing through rough terrain. This transport highlights the complexity of handling large-scale machinery, from load balance to securement. It's a logistical feat where experience matters. Excavator unloading requires more than just equipment. It demands experience, coordination, and refined skill. While it may appear straightforward, such operations rely heavily on an experienced operator. When competence meets capability, efficiency follows. This incident underlines the critical importance of regular hose inspection, especially near high-temperature zones. Routing, shielding, and preventative replacement schedules must be followed meticulously. In older models like the 320B, aging seals and hoses are high-risk zones. Installing thermal guards and ensuring the engine bay is never left exposed during operation can prevent similar catastrophic failures. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. The Menzies 65th wheel dumper features a 136 horsepower engine and debuts today in Creasern. Optimized for snow clearance, its drivetrain ensures seamless traction under winter conditions. Operational smoothness confirmed during live demonstration. Can you feel the rumble? That's the Cat D11 clawing its way up the incline, gunning for the trestle. Diesel drives it, sure, but no electricity, no coal. Simple equation. And yet, what really grabs you? The operator, cool-headed and steady, guiding that giant like it's nothing. Makes your heart skip a beat, right? Mine did. Oops, what a pleasant sound of a diesel engine. You want to impress 2,000 customers? Do what Liebherr did. At Customer Days 2012, they brought out their mobile crane and owned the stage. That crane didn't just show up, it stole the show. Watching the 992G get hauled is a masterclass in machine logistics. That loader weighs over 230,000 pounds. Moving it isn't just about horsepower, it's about coordination and planning. Fasula's nailed the axle distribution and elevation strategy. This isn't just transport, it's engineering in motion. Anyone else impressed by how steady that trailer handled those winding roads? The operator climbs up, starts maneuvering, and then boom. One flick of the lever, and the whole rig lurches sideways. You can see the split-second panic. It all happens so fast. When dealing with hydraulics and tons of weight, small mistakes become big risks. Look closely. Can you hear the rumble? That's the JCB Machinery Show by Stroy Complect firing up. Share your thoughts, cheer your favorite machine, and let the Iron Giants steal the spotlight. Wow, look at you go up that slope. Smooth handling. Just a quick reminder, let's keep safety strapped in tight too. A charming old footbridge over a peaceful creek, gone in a flash. The Schillersteg at Josefsbach got a respectful send-off as crews expertly removed it using hydraulic tools. Smooth, clean, and fast. 1 minute it's there, the next, it's history. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you loved these amazing moments, remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated on newest content from Forestry Tech.